And we can work on things. And we can work for the improvement of our national budget. Kong Jude?
I just want to add, no, it's also good to put in context na hindi po kakaiba itong pangyayari na binibigyan panahon ng ehekutibo ang pag-review pa ng report ng forma ng budget na inaprubahan ng Bicameral Conference Committee at ng niratify ng dalawang kapulungan ng Kongreso. In as much that it is Congress' duty to approve the budget, in the end, it is the President's duty also to execute the budget. And his inputs, his wisdom, as well as his priorities will play a big role. And clearly, in the way that we are reviewing now the budget at the executive level before it is signed, it's only an indication that the President is dutiful about exercising